This rare photograph from 1882 captures a harrowing scene aboard a ship in the Indian Ocean. It documents individuals liberated from an Arab dhow by the Royal Navy. Unlike the better documented transatlantic trade, these men, women, and children were being transported toward markets in the Middle East and East Africa. This image stands as a stark, haunting piece of evidence of the maritime slave trade that persisted into the late 19th century, documenting the human cost of a global struggle for freedom.
History in the language of photo stories. Follow and share our videos with your friends to keep history alive.